everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Can't find AI Studio on your Instagram? Don't worry, here's how to fix it in just a few easy steps. First step, you need to update your Instagram. Open the Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Instagram. Locate the official app and tap update if available. AI Studio only appears in the latest version. Second step, switch to professional mode. For that, open your Instagram. Tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on this three-line menu icon at the top right. Scroll down. Tap on this Creator, Tools and Controls section. Scroll down. Tap Switch Account. And switch to Creator or Business accounts because AI Studio is available for Creator or Business accounts only. And if it's still missing clear cache, for that, open your phone settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Instagram. Scroll down and go to Storage. And here, tap Clear Cache, then restart the app. Finally, remember, AI Studio is not rolled out everywhere yet. If it's not in your region, wait for upcoming updates. And that's it. Your AI Studio should show up soon. Like and subscribe for more Instagram fixed videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.